What if you can click a button, copy a video, and instantly make $50 up to $200? And the best thing is you can rinse and repeat this over and over again and keep making hundreds of dollars in just a few minutes. Well, I know it sounds too good to be true, but let me show you something. Take a look at this. $168, $35, and when I scroll down below here, $200 and another $233. People from different countries in the world are cashing out real money from this brand new opportunity. From just one single click, you could be making $50, and when you do 10 clicks, you can make $500. It is super easy for total beginners who are looking for quick money online as soon as today. And don't worry, because this method requires no investment at all. This is absolutely free. Just imagine having an extra $500 every day inside your account balance. How would that change your life? And how would you spend that money? Perhaps you could use that to buy a new house, a new car, go on for a vacation, get a present to those you care and you love. Save up some money, and the possibilities are endless. And it all starts from this video. So make sure you stay tuned and watch until the very end so you don't miss any important steps, bonus tip, and critical mistakes to avoid so that you can successfully cash out your earnings. So first of all, I want you to take a look at this Facebook video right here. Now there are a lot of videos that you can watch on Facebook, and we're gonna use Facebook video just like this, and we're gonna make a lot of money online. So right now I want you to go on to this website, which is MotionDan, okay, motiondan.com. Now on this website you can actually make a lot of awesome videos, including Facebook videos, which is very simple. I want to show you everything right on this video. And that's exactly how all of these guys right here, they're using this Facebook video method and they're making a lot of money online. Take a look at this guy right here, $115. This guy, $50, $50. There are just so many people that are making real money right now using this method. So right now I want to show you how you can sign up for a free account. Now once you come onto the home page, I want you to go and click on this red button on top to get started. So right now you're gonna come over to this page, and I want you to click on this button, sign up with email. And the sign up process is actually very simple. Just put in your first name, your last name, your email, and so put in your password and just go and click on the sign up button. As simple as that. So right now once you log in into your MotionDan account, you can see that this is actually my account. Now right here you can find there are a lot of video templates, right, which is done for you videos, including Facebook videos that we can use. So right now when you scroll down below here, you're gonna look for this keyword, which is Facebook, and I want you to click on this link. So right now you can find a lot of Facebook video templates that we can use for absolutely free. Now I want you to scroll down below here. You can see these are all the done for you videos that we're gonna be using in today's video and start making money. So as you can see here, all of these templates, they're actually very professional, and with just one click of a button we can actually get all of these right now. So right now I want to give you a real life example. For example, I want to use this template, which is Stomp, and look at this video right here, which is very professional, very beautiful, and we can just use it right now, right away, and we can use that to start making money online. All you have to do right now is just go and click on this red button right here to edit this video, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can start editing this video. And once again, you don't have to do much editing because everything is done for you. So as you can see here, there are a total of 8 slides that you can actually change on any text or any images that you want. And again, everything is pretty much done for you in this case. So for example, if I want to change the text of this slide, I can just go and click on this and click on design, and I can just type in whatever text I want. For example, subscribe, and I can just click on the save button. As simple as that. So for example, if you want to change the background image, you can just click on the background and you can choose whatever pictures that you want and just go and click on continue, and boom, as simple as that. And once you're satisfied, you can just go and click on this button right here to make the video. Once again, you can go back to this page right here and click on Facebook, and you can find other video templates that you can use, and there are literally so many templates that you can just edit, which is very simple with just one click of a button. So right now, once you created a lot of Facebook videos, I want you to go on to the second website, which is Quicken Gigs. As you can see here, quickengigs.com. So right now when you scroll down below this website, you're gonna look for this icon right here, which is video and animation. I want you to click on this logo, and then you're gonna come over to this page. As you can see here, where you can find a lot of people, they're uploading and sharing the video on this website, and they're making a lot of money. So right now, very important, on the left section here, you can see there are many different categories of videos and animation. Now I want you to scroll down below and look for this link right here, which is short video ads, and I want you to click on this link. So right now I want you to take a look at this guy right here who is creating Facebook video and is making $20 per video. Now right over here, $25 $5 per video and $30 per video. Now when I scroll down below here, you can see there are literally hundreds and hundreds of people they're making money right now by just creating Facebook videos. And you and I, we can do exactly the same thing by just using MotionDan, all the done for you videos and templates for completely free. So say for example, this guy right here is making $40 per video. So right now I just click on this link right here and I'm gonna come over to this page. As you can see here, he's selling for $42 per video, and this is crazy. And look at that, $42 per video. If you just sell for 5 videos a day, you can easily make $210. And there are a lot of people using this method right now, and people buying for 5, 10 or even 20 videos right away. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account on Quicken Geeks, you can just go onto the home page and click on the register button on top, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can sign up for a free account. Just put in your username and put in your email, and right here for the user type, you can just click down here and choose on seller, and then right here just put in your password, confirm your password, and then put in your phone numbers. And also for the company, you can just put in your full name right there, and then just go ahead and click on the red register button. As simple as that. And the reason why I like Quicken Geeks is because this is a brand new website. There are no competition. Now there are a lot of this guy right here which is new arrival. As you can see here, new arrival, and this is new arrival, because this is a brand new website, a brand new category, and if you watch this video right now, you are in for this early opportunity. And again, you can use MotionDan to create a lot of free video done for you templates, and you can do exactly the same thing with just one click of a button. And that's exactly how all of these guys right here, they're making a lot of money online from just simple Facebook videos. And you can just repeat this over and over again, just like all of these guys right here who are charging a lot of money on Box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.